I wanted to make this video in Hindi. The reason I want you to watch this video completely. Can be one of the most important videos in affiliate marketing you may have ever came across. So stick till the end. This video is about future of affiliate marketing, where you as an affiliate marketer, you as a digital entrepreneur can go, and what is hidden in the cup of future. There are a lot of things that are changing right now. More people are joining, more people want to make money from by living anywhere in the world. The thing I started 3 4 years ago, now so many people want to do that right now. And this is the reason I wanted to watch this till the end, because I will show you 3 stages of affiliate marketing in this video. Things have changed dramatically. Okay, things people started with building websites. I still remember when I saw the first website in 2011 or something, because I that was the time I actually came across a smartphone. Okay, that time I saw a mobile website, and before it we started seeing some desktop websites, right? That was not the time when there was mobile responsive websites. And from that point we have moved to funnels. Now more people are talking about funnels. That is still working right now, but things are changing for future. And you as an affiliate marketer, you have to listen this, or otherwise you will fail, or you will die in this competition that is coming up for you. Okay, so I hope you are ready for it. Okay, so let's get this started. Now first thing is, let's talk about how normal affiliate marketing work. Okay, and then I will be giving you this new idea, how can you actually do it, and what is the strategy I am using behind it. So it's like watching over my shoulder. Okay, and I really care for you. First thing is this. Okay, this is how most of the affiliate marketers are working. Okay, just give me a second. So yeah, I'm just setting up my digital pen. Okay, and this is not working. All right, all right, so now it's ready. So let's understand how affiliate marketing actually started. Okay, and how most of the people are doing right here. And you know, social media gurus are preaching this method. I can tell you this is not the way you want to do it, because you are in this channel. My intention is to give you the best. Okay, we I want to grow. I want to help you, assist you in your growth. Okay, now let's understand this. This is like the simple way to do affiliate marketing. You run some advertisement, or you run some organic traffic. Okay, organic traffic, that means some free traffic, and you drive directly to your affiliate offer. Okay, affiliate offer. Now, how this thing work? Now, look at this. You run a Facebook advertisement, or you created a Facebook group or a YouTube channel, and then you are driving this organic traffic to your affiliate offers. Okay, and uh, this is good. Okay, in fact, this is I have never shared this thing in my channel. Okay, this is good. Okay, and a lot of people are making money from it. But this is changing. More and more people now. Imagine Facebook. Okay, 5 6 years ago it was so easy to do this thing. You could spam for groups, you can spam forums, and you could start making money from affiliate marketing. But things change. Okay, things change now. These platforms have this strict policy. Okay, and they do not allow this behavior. Now, this is the past. Okay, let me write this. This is the past. Okay. Now, what is happening right now? As some people advise, then they started advising that create a website, create a blog, and then promote your offers. Okay, promote your offers. For example, this is I called a bridge. Okay, I call a bridge. Now you have this traffic. Okay, this traffic is coming to your bridge, and on this bridge, okay, this is the offer. There is a button. So you might be promoting Amazon affiliate programs, or ClickBank, or CJ, right? There are so many affiliate networks out there. So you can give this affiliate link in this button. Okay, so click now or buy now, something like that. And you could do product reviews, or right, this is how we do affiliate marketing, right? Now this is a bridge, and from there you this is the affiliate offer. Okay, affiliate offer. Okay, now this is the second level that is a little better than the first offer. Why? Because you have more control over that bridge, right? You have more control. So more people, first you are building this trust in people, and then you are promoting your offers, and it's actually a good way. And if you will look at all these bloggers out there, they are doing this thing. They are promoting their offers in their blogs, right? And now this is the thing that I think so many people are sharing this offer. Okay, this way of doing things. Now the problem with this thing is, again, you don't have much control over your business at all. At the end, if something go wrong goes with the affiliate offer, then you need to keep changing it. You need to change. Your post heavily relies upon that particular piece of content that you are creating and that offer you are promoting, right? Now this is the like the things that were happening till this point. Okay, this is what we have done till this far. And now from there, now if you will look at YouTube, or if you will look at Facebook, these they are changing slowly. They are changing to a community based model, right? Now the same thing is in affiliate marketing. I want to give you a blueprint. Just look at this thing, and you will see how powerful this is. Especially, in fact, I have created a program about it where you will be implementing that thing. Okay, implementing this particular strategy. It's really powerful. Not No one out there is sharing this. Most of the people will tell you to just duplicate what they are doing, and it's kind of multi-level marketing business. Okay, and in fact, not even a legal kind of multi-level marketing stuff, because they will give you some Facebook ad copies, they will give you some landing pages or some share funnel, they call it, on ClickFunnels. And you will not learn the you don't learn the strategies in it. You will just be a copycat. Okay, and this is what people are running behind. People are running behind shortcuts. You are watching this video till this point, I really appreciate it. Make sure to type in the comment box 100% if you are ready to work with me. Okay, 100%. Now what I want you to focus upon is this. Okay, and in fact, I have created a special training about it. Check out my description, you will find all the details about it. Okay, so look at this. Now there is traffic. Okay, of course there is. This can be a Facebook or maybe YouTube. Okay, now people are coming to your website. Okay, not actually website, this is a kind of platform that you have created. Okay, these people are coming to your platform, and they are getting the results. Okay, they are being happy. Okay, let me give you this example. So someone who is looking to make coffee at his home. Okay, let me give you this example. Okay, so this is a guy. He lives in Delhi, or he lives in New York, whatever, wherever. And now some things happened in his life, and now he wants to learn to make coffee. Okay, now that's a crazy example, I know. Anyway, so something happened, and he wants to learn to make coffee at his home. Now he doesn't know how to do it. Okay, now understand this thing. He doesn't just need a way to he doesn't need just a way to make coffee, right? He needs a step-by-step guide to make coffee. He needs a coffee machine. He needs to continuously buy coffee beans, and he must be needing something more, right? Now imagine you can create this platform. Now this is not very different from what Uber did or what Airbnb did. Okay, and in fact, inside our tribe, Digital Lifestyle Tribe, you actually go through this process where you build it. Okay, you go through this process and you create your own system. Okay, now you do it. Okay, you created this platform where people are coming and they are learning this process. Okay, they are learning this process of making a really good coffee. Okay, and there you can promote these affiliate offers. You can attach your Amazon links there. You can promote other courses there, and you can have multiple sources of income in this process, right? So this is a very different kind of model. That's a platform based, right? It's a platform based affiliate model, and this is the most powerful way to do affiliate marketing. This is the most this is the future. It's literally a future, and it's not for people who are just in the business of shady marketing. When I was traveling to Vietnam and Thailand, Indonesia, and other places, I came across many people who are doing affiliate marketing without any ethics in their life. This is not what I want in my tribe. In my community, this is like the strongest ethics we have. Do not do not be cheap on your journey to greatness, and this is what I have learned from my mentor. I really believe if you are doing something great, do it with a good intention. Okay, you will become good at videos, you will become good at copywriting or whatever skills you want to learn, but at the end you are people will listen you, right? You have to become a kind of brand, and you can only become that by helping other people, right? So this is the model you need to think about. How can you create a platform, and don't rely upon YouTube or Facebook for it. Okay, you never know what will change. Okay, I'm not saying they are gonna die or something, but you never know that if there's algorithm changes or they will keep charging you more and more money. Things happened like this in the past with many social networks. Okay, so you need to understand this, right? So this is what you need. Okay, you need to create a platform. Now this is a coffee platform, right? Coffee making whatever platform. So this is what you have created, and once you do it, you will build this trust with people. You will be able to create a better business that you can actually proud of. My intention is to help you create a business that you can be really proud of. Okay, so check out my description if you are interested in my training. I will really appreciate. And this is not for everyone. This is only for the people who are committed and who don't want to be cheap. Okay, don't want to be cheap on this journey. And yeah, that's this. And if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.